Hey, baby.
Caffeine is an appetite suppressant when drunk in large quantities.
Hey, baby. Come here.
Thought the safe amount of caffeine is 400
Hi.
milligrams a day. That's about 5 instant coffees or 7 cups of tea. Keith is drinking double that. No surprise then he has a caffeine addiction. This can lead to anxiety, irritability and loss of appetite. The new caffeine-free Keith now has a gap to fill.
I don't think I'm going to...
My babies. Such sweethearts.
I'm really impressed that you managed to eat all that, actually.
Hey, babies.
Would you like some?
Come here, Emerald.
No. Thanks for listening.
I think I've ever had a liquid breakfast.
No. Not
Okay, come here.
anyway. I feel fine, actually. I don't actually feel hungry.
Sweethearts.
It's just I feel very alert.
I feel quite sick now, I've got